Zoo Heads, a brand based in Brooklyn that is dedicated to selling shower heads printed in 3D, really unique in that do not look anything like what you're used to. And it's not the typical artichoke's chrome, but that these heads are printed in 3D and with animal themes. And better yet, available in 20 different colors. So you can be sure that your shower will not look like any other you know. Zoo Heads is committed to selling and manufacturing shower heads on demand and without inventory. This means that the company will not create your light blue eagle shower head until you have placed an order for that particular product. And, of course, once you ask, you will not have to wait for months. Zoo Heads ensures that your shower head takes about 8 hours to print, and will be delivered to your home in about 2 days. The idea for the Zoo Heads originated when a shower head with the shape of a T-Rex skull was created. After publishing the design, it went viral, so they thought about making this a business. Enthusiastic, they make entertaining showers, and hope to create new lines around pop culture. The options currently available included a T-Rex skull, elephant, dolphin, crocodile, dragon, dragon skull, lion, gorilla, eagle and shark. The color variants, on the other hand, include white, black, gray, silver, light blue, navy blue, pink, red, orange, neon orange, light orange, hazel, gold, green, lime green, neon green and phosphorescent. Of course, do not think the company will stop with the animals. After this initial release, Zoo Heads will be dedicated to exploring and adding new theme lines to your website.